Hey guys, I'm sitting here in my 1985 Toyota pickup, and I just wanted to show you how to fix your air conditioner if it's making sound kind of like this. So what you need to do is come up under the dash. You're first going to need to take this piece of trim out. It's just 2 screws. And then, I don't know if you can see this very well. I've already taken 2 of these screws out, but it's this thing right here. There's 3 screws on it. I've taken out the front one here. There's another up to the side up here, and then one in the back. This is hard to see, but you're just gonna have to figure out a way to get these screws out on this piece here. I used an 8mm. There's also just a screw on there, but if this hasn't been out since 1985, it's probably gonna be tight. Those screws are a real pain to get out, but once you get them, you will need to unplug this rubber hose right here. If you can see that. There's a rubber hose in the back here. Just pull it straight down. And then also, you'll need to unplug this electrical thing right here. I had a little bit of trouble pulling this piece out. If you're having trouble, just remember that you need to squeeze this side right here, and then it just came out real easy. You don't need to yank on it or anything, just squeeze it and it'll come out. After you get that unplugged, you just need to work it out. Just yank on it a little bit, and then sure enough, that's what the problem was. As you can see, it's covered in leaves and looks like some wasps you got in there. Now I just cleaned that out and ought to be good as new. Just ready to go right back in. So one thing I didn't mention earlier, as I would suggest unplugging that clip right there. Just makes it easier to drop the whole thing out. There's just a little electrical back in the back behind it. Just pop that out so it doesn't get in the way and you don't tear up those wires. So it ought to be simple enough. Just put it back in the same way you took it out. Just remember your 3 screws. And don't forget to plug back in your electrical wire and put the rubber hose back on. And after that, just enjoy your nice cold air. That ought to fix it. I bet most of the time that's all your problem is there's some kind of debris up in there.